Okay, Google, turn on bedroom lamps.
Okay, turning 2 lights on.
Okay, Google, turn off Chris.
Okay, turning off the Chris.
Okay, Google, turn on Chris.
Okay, turning on the Chris.
Okay, Google, set. Okay, Google, set temperature on air conditioner 24.
The air conditioner is off right now, so I can't make any adjustments.
Okay, Google, turn on air conditioner.
Okay, turning the air conditioner on.
Okay, Google, turn air conditioner to 24 degrees.
Got it, setting the air conditioner to 24 degrees.
Okay, Google, set temperature to 21 degrees on air conditioner.
Sure, setting the air conditioner to 21 degrees.
Okay, Google, turn off air conditioner.
Sure, turning the air conditioner off.
So you just saw how to turn on and off an air conditioner. It's an LG smart inverter. Comes with a Wi-Fi inside it. And my wife set it up, so hopefully I'll get her to put a video up and show you how to program this to Google Home. Okay, quick one for the day. Bye-bye.